a couple of trades that we took today where we were able to net some big profits, right? So first one was CrowdStrike. When I took CrowdStrike, the purpose for this was on the 1 hour time frame. You could see CrowdStrike, it was holding this level really well, and which was the support area of yesterday, right? So however, the main thing I was concerned with was a test of the yesterday's high here. So we can see this level right here, which is around 205. On the hourly time frame, if I look at this level here at 205, this was a big area of resistance. It was able to clear that area, and today, you know, right in the pre-market, it went above it already, right? So it was holding this area really well. So what I did was I used the 1 minute and the 5 minute to make a quick profit. Okay, so we on the 1 minute, we took the trade when the price closed above the 5-day EMA and the value weighted average, which is the VWAP, and then I exited on the 5 minute, which was right up here, right when the price closes below the 5-day EMA, right? So this trade that I took went from about 206 all the way to about 217, okay, which was about right here, this area. So this is a nice point, nice 11-point move, and if you're trading options, that turned out to be like about an 80% winner. Okay, also we got to pay attention to his volume. Okay, so the volume did help us. When this was going up, there were spikes in volume at new levels here, right? So this is where buyers are really coming in, and we can confirm that on the 5 minute time frame as well, that buyers are really stepping in. When this pullback did happen, this was more like profit taking. It wasn't like selling off. That's why you can see the EMA was held, and then at the second push, you can see this big candle right here, right, that comes in, that helps us with confidence that this trade, there's more buyers. Every time there's a pullback, you can see there's more buyers. There's more buyers on the pullback. So if this continues, we can see CrowdStrike actually by end of day maybe go test the supply level all the way up here at 228. If you don't know about supply and demand, I'll add the video that I've already made on it and how it can help you take trades here. So CrowdStrike was one of our trades that we did take today. Nvidia is another one that I have on. I have not closed. Okay, so basically Nvidia has tested this level multiple times. There's a lot of call flow right now on Nvidia that's testing certain levels here. So if we look at the trade that I have on Nvidia, I got in yesterday. Okay, and I'm holding this trade because yesterday Nvidia consolidated on the hourly on this zone. Okay, and now it's holding it went to retest the level at 267. It's holding that area. If we do get a break and a close above 272 to 275, we're going to get a really big push and run to about 285. So this is the reason why I'm holding it. You can see this is turning up to be a nice break. Price is testing this area, but now we just got to look at volume here. The volume over the last few days has been more green than selling, right? So even today we did have some selling. We can see the volume is still holding. So these levels are still holding where buyers are sitting. So that means buyers are still defending this level. There's no reason for me to exit the trade just yet. So these are two different examples, right? One is a scalping example and one is a trade that I'm holding. I'm swinging into the week. So you can see how you can have different strategies and different ideas when you're looking at multiple time frames. And if I look at the 5 minute time frame as well, it's just helping me confirm my pattern, right? It's stuck and it's hooked to this resistance level. That means sellers are still controlling this, but buyers are holding the level at the bottom, and you can see the range is very, very tight, right? So if we just look at the selling pressure here today, it's not as strong as the buying pressure of the last few days. So I have no reason to sell yet, and I will continue to hold my position. I hope this helped you guys, and I will update you on how my Nvidia position goes. But CrowdStrike did really well for me today, so you know we'll take that win, and we'll see what Nvidia does for later on for the day.